sense that the good relations, the simple reason that they are all away by almost 3 days in terms of getting that. There is no one else to really take care of us. Very advanced social conditions in terms of cultural and food and other habits. You are facing all those difficulties. Everyone will agree here. Food was different food that normally those areas will face. This normally doesn't discuss that. The third part was need-based in the sense that in terms of difficulties, someone gets sick, someone needs some amount of financial help or moral support. And that is the beauty of NIT, especially NIT Srinagar as a place. It's a wonderful place. I believe it is a heaven on the earth. Many people must realize that India మంచి ప్లేస్ ఉండాలంటే తప్పు అవకాశాలు యూరోపియన్ ఫారెన్ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి అనేది యాక్చువల్లీ ఇస్లాం ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎవరన్నా at the same time adverse conditions brought us together. The kind of relations we build among ourselves are extremely good. In addition to the studies and education that we are doing. Remember, many of us are well-versed with black circles that we have drawings development చేస్తున్నవాళ్ళు కుటుంబ డెవలప్మెంట్ ప్రిపేర్ that's suggestion very clear. And all the answers must be there. Humans are very and I can quickly start up my introduction because I thought I was catching on what God has happened. I'm Ravinder Rao. Belong to Aadhaar State, so we both belong to Warangal. After my immediate some teachers said, why are you going to Srinagar? After I had to achieve it, I really got that the universities were there to go to such a far. And then we came back after graduation. I joined ONGC Bombay offshore secretary. At the same time, it was an offshore career job, so I completed my master's. Madhuri came to my life. And the moment she came to my life, I quit my job in ONGC. But she didn't agree that I should go to ONGC on the seashore job where 15 days and come back. So we decided I should come back to Warangal and live with my parents. So I've been living in Warangal for the last 27 years. Madhuri is my wife, working for State Bank of India. I have a son, elder son. He is in final year of MBA integrated course, BTech MBA, at Guardian. And my daughter, she is in first year of BIT Chennai, pursuing a MS 5 years integrated course in software engineering. I think I have a very good relation with my next dad and an expert that Anand, Danidas, Swami, I know Vijay was a very good friend of mine. I've been visiting down in Chennai. My wife can stand up and, getting them see it. So they are lovely. For where to come, join me. We are also I don't think any teaching people are there. It was a teaching job. Somehow, when I was working at ONGC, people told me that they are teaching survival with the teachers. I started realizing this. And ever since I never regretted. I don't know what experience God had. His person must have failed in there. He did not have a good experience. But I always say, whatever they have acquired, in terms of knowledge, experience, we need to transfer it continuously to younger generation. That was the time that the way which I thought I would do it. And I'm sure I'm continuing to do that. And I enjoy teaching and counseling and guiding students as of today. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Good evening, everyone. My dad has been waiting for such a long time for this event, and hope you'll enjoy it. Madhuri, you wanted to actually join me. That gathering, maybe also some gathering was there, but we could not join. Pleasure to have this gathering with everyone, and we expect that it may continue in the future in Andhra Pradesh.
Thank you.
Now I call on A.S. Prasad.
क्यों पीते नहीं पीते। अच्छा ये अल्कोहल नहीं पीते ना, फिर क्या पीते? बस सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक वगैरह पीते हैं लोग। नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं। One soft drink.
Any festival, the first thing is that we go to Anandasam, we have a Gala Andhra Bhojanam. So it used to get a lot of pickles, lot of varieties of, this Andhra variety items, which are from Vijayanagar or Seattle, that area. And Kamaran is very famous for entertaining us. And it's a lovely 5 years of memorable time in my life, which I enjoy. And Ravindranath was our mentor, because just 1 year senior to us that time. So we were all in the new place. So he used to guide us what to study, how to study, and what is good about the place, and how we should going all the way from other ways, how we should deal with the people. So that, I still remember guiding me and Vijay and Anand, 4 of us. Still we were immediately, just like, when we immediate senior to us, and we enjoyed the company of Karya. Basically, we was entertaining like everything right from the day one. Yeah, and we used to tell us heroic enough that, so that we were enjoying. I passed out in 84, Gujarat Engineering. After that, I worked with SR State. I was also working with SR State. It's a big industrial group in India. Earlier I was in Gujarat for about 8-9 years. Then I moved to Vizag. I was in Vizag for about 17 years. Then I moved to Paralit recently, in the place near Bhubaneswar, about 100 kilometers. I am running one of the laser plants in Bhubaneswar. It's a beautiful place. I request all of my family and friends to visit my place. I went close to Konark and Pune. When we go there, to have a good seminars and discussions, like what we are used to having in Scenery. And I have 2 children. One is my son is just finished his mechanical engineering. He is joining MBA in Bhubaneswar, which is to business management. I have got most in the 9th standard. My wife is here to join me. The most, whom I met very frequently is Anand, because we stay in the same place. So once in a month, once in 2 months at least, we meet half an hour, 1 hour meet there. And Swami is there with me all the time, so I spend around 6 to 8 hours with him. And anybody is, the moment he says that I am from Anand's area, anywhere in the nearby, any contact comes, I establish my first contact with him and say that yes, we are meeting sometime or the other. And I got the Ravindranath's number through a friend of mine who visited him for a compulsory visit. He said there is one Ravindranath from Maris Engineering. He is here, so let me have a hello with him. So immediately I took my radio number and called him.
Cookies vegetarian है,
Nageshwaram also,
ठीक है क्या रोल है कौन भेजे
we had a small get-together in Vizag last year. We had our friend coming from Delhi, Rajni and his family, and we have another 2-3 in Vizag, working in Narayana and Singh. We just had a small get-together. Anand was the organizer. The day he posted all the pictures, then there was a huge response from all over the team. Now we should have a state-level gathering. When we started working out the days and time and what are everything, but it was not utilizing. But the most inspirational part was Kajal. He said, I am in India. When we all started looking at when he is in India, why not we have this one? Though it is very hard, I know Prasad has traveled all to the hard zone of India. Which was, giving all the effort, because I was gathered like a family union. I've seen many of them of this country for 30 years. It's a great environment. I'm very happy. And we should keep on meeting at least some place or other. My suggestion is you have a visit to, I invite all of you. I will have a gathering in Bhubaneswar. I'm very close to Karnataka. And a lot of resorts are there. It becomes a family gathering as well as a tour. I welcome all of you to my place where I stay. Thank you very much.
నాకు ఈయన కళాకారులు నాటకాలు చూపించారు. చెప్తున్నానండి మొత్తం ఆయన మాటలు కావాలి ఆయన కళాకారులు మొత్తం చూపించారు. ఆయన ఆటలు అయితే ఆయన ఆటలు
cheers for half the doctor. Cheers.
My own partner used to travel in supermarket. So we used to park in Taliban area up to go for after get out. He was come down and I would so nice. Thank you.